So before proceeding further, let's see some common styling pattern, because if we will get to understand some basics of common styling, then we will be easily making a few applications in coming video slides. You have not checked in my other videos in which I created some basic APK files to install on your local tab or your Android phones. You should go and check out those videos in this playlist, which I've already shared on the description. Now let's see some of the basic styling. I would say, to start with, let's see, first of all, go to the constraint layout which you are having, or as of now let me delete this. So now I'm having this constraint layout, I'm having this video. So this constraint layout says that on click it is having some attributes. Let's get a main activity or remove it. And now I have removed this part, and this constraint layout is now my layout. So the first thing is that, just to understand, let's see how we can change the color of the background. I will say background color, or make it background. And as you can see, when I clicked on the background, much of things are coming. So cut this part, search it here, and as you can see, I selected white color. Now I am change it to some other color, make it black. See, the background color has changed to black. Now let's see purple or some other color. The background color is changing. If you want to delete this, you can delete this also from here. Just go and delete it. So now if you want to change the background to some other color, select this part, go to this color part. As you can see, lots of design colors are available. As of now, select this one. This is another way of choosing a color. Background tint you can select, like which tint you want to select. Suppose you want to select this kind of tint, or make it that particular color selection, and on the basis of how dark and how light it should be selected, and that color will be made here. So in this way we can change the background color. Now let's see some of the basic styling. I selected this button. Now I want to change the color. So as you can see, these are the different colors highlighted. So I would say ripple color, let's change it to red. Again this color, change it to this color. In different shades I am changing as of now. And text color I am changing it now. So as you can see, this color section has made this as a different text or different color as of now. Now I want to change the styling of this color. So you can see this is a different color. If I select this is coming in different style. If I go with the borderless, this is coming as a borderless. Colored, then it will come as colored. And on the basis of different selection, this can be changed. Also, let's go with the styling. If I select it and go with the style, let it be, from here you can find it out, let it be a button. So I'll go and select button, click on OK. The style is now this. So these are constraint layouts in which we can select the different color of that button. So now I want this button to be some different button. So if I go with the button part, I will find different button. So I'll go with the image button. If I select the image button, I want that button to be like this, and I'll click on OK. So as you can see, this is a button, but it has its own different shape which is provided here. So this is a button as I've shown earlier. Let me reduce it to like this, and this image is now provided in the background. So in this way we can change this button, or if you want to have some different button, you can go and click on image button again, select the image you want to have. I want to have a button of play or something, or star or something, select this one. So this is your button which is there. I want to change the background of this. So I will click on the, instead of constraint, I will click on this and click on background. And on this background, the color is selected, but I don't want the color selection. I want drawables. So as of now, let's go and search from the imported drawables. So if I go and select this background.png, click on OK, click on next. I want this to be a video player. I'll click on import, click on this. I had not selected that time, so this, which we have already selected, drawable BG, and let me change this again. Select this, click on OK, and background to be this one. Tint mode, let's change this tint mode to white. Now if I want this background to change, click. Now in this constraint layout, I want the background to change to some different color or different import. I'll click on this part, different images will come. I'll click on plus, import drawables. So if I want to draw something like import VG, I'll click on next. It says import VG drawable, click on finish. So this is the new version, like video player, click on OK. So the background is changed to this drawable. I want this to change it from this to color. So if I select this color, this tint, click on OK, this is changed to color. Again, if I want to change it to the previous drawable part, like this, it will change to this one. So according to your need, you can change it and launch it in your application. So this is about the basic styling, and now let's change it to color only, just to understand. Now a few more things. If I want to have a text, let's go with the plain text, and in this plain text, go with the plain text here. In this plain text, I want this text to have certain data. To have certain data here, as I said, let's go to the strings.xml and let's go to the strings part of laughing. So I want this part to have a text of laughing. Click on OK. So after this, from strings.xml, we have selected this laughing. Now I want this text layout to be bold. I'll click on bold after selecting this. So as you can see, text style came. In this, you will find bold is there. You click on OK. It is now bold. Again, I am saying after clicking on this, if I am saying it's to be normal, you can see it has again become normal. So I want this to be bold. Few more things. Italics. Again, italics will come in the text style only. Let's go with the text style directly. Let's go to the text style. So as you can see, it is now laughing is bold. Click on normal. Normal is true. Italics is italics. So in this way, we can change the type of text. Also, text color. As you can see, this is a text color. I want this to be red. Click on this. It has now changed to red. Few more things. Text box color, or I would say background color. Let's change the background color to white. So as you can see, this has changed to white background. Now let me expand this part. So this is coming here. I'll click on alignment, layout constraint. So as you can see, the layout of this is that this is a big box and it is aligned in the leftmost part. I want this to be aligned to a little bit in the right hand side. So for that, there are two things. One is padding and another is margin. So I will say margin. So when I am saying this is margin, click on this margin part. I'll say take margin from the top to be 50 dp. So it is now taking the margin from top. Also, this is constraint selection. So instead, I would suggest to go for 5 dp only. I'll select this one. I'll select the layout margin. If I'm selecting this part and I'm going with the layout margin, it will align this part from the top or bottom. For example, I'm aligning it from top, make it 150 dp. It will move a little bit down. So after clicking on this, 150 dp. Click outside. So alignment on top, 50 dp. layout margin top. To make it align, let's provide a constraint first, then there will be layout margin available, and I will say margin top 50 dp. So it has now aligned to a little bit down. Let's go with margin bottom, make it 150 dp. It will go a little bit up as it has moved up. Margin right, make it 100 dp. It will go right side, from right side, so it is on left side, make it 200 dp. It will go left side. So this is where we can provide the margin, make it previously only. So now it has gone to the same position as it was. This was about margin. Now let's go with the padding part. What is padding? As we have seen, this is margin. It was taking alignment from the outer view from where it is attached. But when you go with the padding, it will align itself from the inner part. Suppose laughing is there, laughing will be aligned by taking certain margin from this box inside, not outside. Alignment was there, margin was taken from outside for this box, and padding will take margin from inside, or space from inside, I would say. So let's go with the padding. So as you can see, padding is there. If I say from left take padding of 20 dp, so from left take 20 dp, so it will take 20 dp from the left part. So it has now taken 20 dp from here. Just to make it more visible, let it be 120 dp. After this, as you can see, it has taken padding from this place and gone till right. Make it few more, I'll click on it, make it few more changes, take padding from top and go to the bottom. I would say 50 dp. So after this, it will go to the bottom. So this is about padding and margin. A general question is that what is padding and what is margin? So when you are aligning some text box or video or something from the reference point, then you take margin. When you are aligning inner parts or inner values or inner constraints or inner text which is there from the outer wall, right, then you go with the padding. So this is how the padding works. So in this way we have seen how we can change the color, text, bold, italics, and padding and margin, and also we have changed the background. These are some of the basic styling techniques we should know before going to the further development. Other way around is that we can directly go to the code part and change the text style from here only, like text color, text style, and other parameters will be there. In this way we can do the changes and can call the other methods which is there in the design part. So let's see the next video tutorial regarding multiple videos, how we can play on button click. Thank you all for watching the video.